What's up guys, I am back here at Duthie Hill Mountain Bike Park today. I am riding a black jump line that has been kicking my butt for the past couple weeks. This shark fin, this big step up down here, and this on and off camelback sway back feature back here behind me are the last three features on this trail that I really need to clear, and today I'm gonna get them. Okay, as I said, Gravy Train, which is this trail, is a black jump trail here at Duthie, and from top to bottom it is full of gap jumps, step ups, step downs, and even one awesome little jump that brings you right into a turn, a right hand turn, like as you come off the jump. I haven't even attempted these yet, this shark fin and the step up. I have attempted the camelback, sway back, camel hump on and off thing up here over this past couple weeks, and I have gotten it, but it hasn't been good because there's a step down right before them. Like, I just keep casing it. I haven't been able to get it, but today I'm gonna get this stuff. Before I ride this, I'm gonna head over to the beginner side of the park and hit a little jump line over there just to get myself warmed up. I'm over here now in the Luna Air Zone, and there's only like really two trails here. I like to warm up on this little gap jump line. There's one gap jump here at the top, and then there's three more at the bottom, plus a wooden feature at the very end. And the nice thing about this trail, just like Gravy Train, you don't even need to pedal. Like, you can just coast into it all slow. Doink. And just hit every jump with no worries. And that's it. Super easy, nice and smooth. The trail speed on it is really perfect. Like, you just kind of gotta ride over the jumps. I think I'm gonna do it 2 more times. Run number 2. Just coasting in. Right on. Nice. All right, we're gonna go back over to Gravy Train. Such a fun little line. So yeah, Gravy Train, man, this thing, like I said, this thing has really eaten my lunch since last year, you know. And the problem is that when I first got out here and started riding here at Duthie, I was riding so much that I was getting to the point where I could have cleared this line. Unfortunately, they were working on the bottom half of it, and only the top half was open. But like, my skill set, my fitness, and my courage were all there to hit everything. And then in February, after my last video out at Raging River, like, that was pretty much my last ride. That was like, I just stopped riding. I just stopped riding until just a couple of weeks ago or so. I think it's been like 3 weeks now that I've been riding, but I'm so out of shape and my courage has taken such a dump that I just, like, these features look so big to me. So let's go ahead and hit this first run here. See how it goes. Gonna take it easy. And again, like, you don't need to pedal into this, really. You can just get your feet situated on your pedals and take it slow, and by the time you've gotten to like here, you've got plenty of speed. Overshot. Oh, Man, just buzzed my butt on that one. I hit it okay, but I'm gonna go back up to the top and try that again. All right. Let's try it again. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Little gap jumps. Nice. I come into this jump, into the turn. Another little gap. See, I'm already losing speed. And that's that damn step up, or step down, I mean. Got bucked a little on that, but I'm gonna keep going. Wow, these are really easy to overshoot. Nice. Oh. Okay. Whew. Oh man. Okay. I am not going to need much speed for this. That looks so high. Maybe I go just part way up. Shit. I know I can do this. I know I can do it. I can't stand here looking at it because I'll talk myself out of it. Okay, well, I've only walked up to this first step up because I'm trying to save some energy here. And what I'm trying to get is down towards the end of the trail anyway. I really want to hit that on this run. Let's go. Oh shit. Fucking cased the shit out of it. Okay. Grabbed my brake because I didn't want to overshoot it. And wow, I cased it pretty hard. Yeah, I cased it right here. Oh no, right here. Like, cased it hard. Okay. Yeah, it's a bummer. So, a little more speed. Let's go back up to the step up. We'll do this again. Riding bikes is fun. Damn. I gotta get this, because I am definitely starting to run out of steam. Nobody coming? Let's go. Ah, cased them both, but fucking made it. Yes, yes. Oh shit. All right, I think I got enough strength left in me to go all the way back to the top and try and clear it all the way down. Let's go. I'll see you back at the top. Okay, I am back at the top. I am dripping sweat. I am running out of steam. And we're gonna clean this fucking trail. Top to bottom. Let's go. Nice. Woo. Ah, cased it. Damn. Oh, damn, that felt so good though. Oh man. That feels so good. And that, my little lovelies, is Gravy Train. Thanks for joining me. Do your best to keep that shiny side up, guys.